Hello, it's B9 Scrambler, and welcome back. Today we're just going to do a quick kind of a tip. In that case, an easy way to install ear tips on an earphone. So we're going to start off with the ZS6 from KZ with their standard stock tip. So I find it's easiest to put the nozzle in part way and then just push. So yeah, that's again at an angle and push the tip on, and there you go. Super duper easy. Let's try with something a little more difficult. Here we have the glamor F200. Its tips are a little flimsier, not nearly as stiff as KZ's, and as a result they tend to deform and are harder to install. But same rule applies. Put the nozzle in an angle and push. And there you go. Tip is on. Little to no effort required. Let's try something even more difficult. We have the Shazi Hibiki Mark II and some SpinFit CP100s. Angled and push. And there you go. One more time, putting at an angle and push. And there you go. Tips are installed. You're good to go. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. B9 Scrambler out. Hope you found this helpful.